So good.
Actually, sir,
Mhm.
yes, yes. Good morning. Very good.
Yeah, very good morning. I think not a good morning we can say. We can say good afternoon. I think we have.
Yes,
Day
yes.
has crossed
Good
12 o'clock.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes,
So
yes.
how is your morning today?
Yeah, my morning is very good. The yeah, little bit hectic, not very good. Uh,
Okay.
actually, today is Independence Day, so my daughter is here and all family member are here, so
Oh,
that's why.
great. So have you celebrated Independence Day, ma'am?
Actually, not celebrate, but actually, my
Okay, nice to hear. Yeah, this is a very noble day you can say, and this is a festival 79 you can say, right? 70 festival we have celebrated, and this is very noble days
yes,
for every individuals, right? So, and
yes,
very special day also we can say, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. So, I would like to know a little bit about you, ma'am. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay. Yeah, first of all, my name is Lalita Jangid. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan,
Mm-hmm.
and I am a homemaker and a part-time teacher. And if you talk about my qualification, I done my B.Ed in computers, and
I think having creativity is in self it's a very mandatory, especially nowadays. So, of
yes,
course, I would say ki ma'am, you're so talented person. I would say you have a multiple talent, and as a
yes,
teacher, I think it is your responsibility to learn English, right? To teach your daughter as well, right? This language. Wow, great. So I would like to know, like, how long back have you started learning English, ma'am?
4 5 months. I'm creating my solo videos. I listen a lot. Yes, solo videos. So yes, there I'm comfortable. But one session is new for me. So I have lots of fear.
It's okay, there's no need to fear. You know what happens when we just enter in a new place now and not knowing about that place very well. So it's obvious things we are getting fear a lot, right? But after spending couple of
Yes,
times over there, we are going to know the people and their nature, that environment. So we just adjust self, right? The same thing happening in this field as well. The first time you connect with any person, so that person will be unknown for you, ma'am. So it's very difficult to
yes,
speak with them, with the unknown person, right?
yes,
So don't fear. And what is your hobbies, ma'am?
yes.
Okay, you mention
Listening
you.
audiobook.
Okay, yeah, you
Yes.
mention I forget. You would like to make listening audiobook. Okay, which singer is
Ye-
very favorite of yours in Bollywood?
Singer.
Yes, are you?
Actually, I'm not not listening song. Actually, I listen
Okay,
or
audiobook. Yeah,
yes,
I forget audiobook, no? Like a
yes, yes.
story.
And I listen bhajan, not songs. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. See, the small so of these things. Okay. So, I was just asking you about, as you mentioned, like I'm listening a lot, right? So, what type of speech and content have you been watching on YouTube?
These days, conversation type of videos. I'm
Very important to understand the things,
yes,
right? And so, how did you
yes.
increase yourself? And how did you get into this suddenly? I mean to say, when did you realize I should learn English, and why did you start learning English? I just want to know the reasons.
My childhood. I'm actually my husband English is good. Actually, he's working on cruise ship and
Mm-hmm.
US and European countries. So his English is very good, and I can say unmatched. So their time and my daughter also. So that's why I realized English is must for me,
Mm-hmm.
and now I enjoy a lot listening.
Okay, nice. Someday it becomes the passion of yours, right? That's great. Yeah, usually I talked with many housemaker, and I got a lot of statement from their side. While cooking, I always listen the audio and video English
Yes,
speech at kitchen. so that I can maintain
Yes.
my consistency and my focus must be maintained over there, my communication skill. So yeah, that's great. I think fantastic idea to utilize the time.
Was a Hindi medium. So in English it says I'm not a single sentence in English, but I listen a lot and speaking also. I use another application, peer up type. So I
Yeah,
yes.
of course, this is a new for everyone. I think we do a lot of things at alone, but when time comes to talk to new people face to face, that time we feel, oh
Yes,
my god, this is a very difficult for me, right? So that's why
yes,
it is very important, to meet a new person and talking to them, right? So you can reduce your hesitation, your fear, right now. So
yes.
you,
President time also. At that
Rajni,
time I'm not prepared, but
of course, I
first
think.
time
Mm-hmm. Carry on, ma'am. Yeah, don't
we
sigh. You can say. Were you telling me something now?
forget all when
Okay. Yeah, it happens usually with every learners. So I have one question. So nowadays, what type of books have you read every day?
actually earlier I use self-help
I would say
but now
कि yeah, because her book is so convenient, so easy. Especially it is made for beginners, right? Great. So, ma'am, how many person whom have you talked like that conversation?
I think for 1 month.
Okay, okay. Four person, I would say. Okay, that's great.
Yes, yes.
How was your experience while talking to all of them? Yeah, of course. You are a very confident person, I would say. Very, what I say, bold person you are. You know how to face challenge. Great. So, ma'am, one question I want to ask you. For improving your spoken English, what kinds of things do you do every day for improving your spoken English?
Yes, speaking consistent now also audio call. Yes,
A school friend or in your neighbor whom you can talk to in English? Anyone? No. You are alone. Oh my God, you
my
are alone.
no one alone not but yeah my husband is working on cruise ship so he's talking with me but he try to Hindi.
No.
Yes,
Yeah.
he
Mostly.
very well English. Yes, he know very well English, but he's very only speaking English. So I am talking with you, so I want to in Hindi talking with you in Hindi. Yes,
Okay.
but yeah, I I listen your Hindi, but I try to in English. Yes.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, same here, same here. Every people are suffering same problem. They are alone in their place like you.
Yes,
So, on which app do you use for audio call?
yes, we are upon Josh talk.
Joe's Talk, very famous app. I have ever heard this application. Great.
But that
Yeah, yeah, of course. And I think one thing I'm missing here in your side, light is missing. I think light has gone. I think electricity has gone now in your side. Electricity has gone in your side.
no,
Okay, your face is
no,
looking dark. That's why I'm asking. Yeah, it's okay. So
no, sir. Actually, network issue.
no, network is okay. So as you mentioned me, like you are not comfortable with the topic, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay. Yeah, I know that. I understand. This is your beginning, right? And at the beginning, so it's very difficult to talk on any topics, right? So I would say that you should be practicing alone by finding the any topics. Like you can talk about routine, daily routine. You can talk about your past memories when you were studying ninth standard, 10th standard, right? You can describe your
yes,
past
yes,
stories, such kinds of topic, very convenient for you to talk. Okay.
yes,
Hmm.
sir. Try. I try, sir. Actually, in job talk also provide a particular topic. So
And it's very difficult to
yes,
remember the things, right? Whenever we connect to somebody, so it's better to just write down. It will help us to remind, right? Okay.
oh,
So carry on.
sir, I know grammar, but whenever talking time, I'm always forget everything.
Yeah, I understand your situation because I have talked with many person and they all of them spoke to me having grammar knowledge and instead of I'm not able to speak good way.
Yes,
So my recommendations to you, forget about grammar, rule and etc. And this is your beginnings time. So you as much as you can speak to people, as better as you can be. Speaking much more. It's a mandatory for you initially. Okay?
okay.
Yeah.
You also start with grammar, like if you practice without grammar.
No, initially you don't need to focus on grammar. Still, you have to focus on speaking only. As much as you can speak, as better as you can be. Okay? Otherwise, if you start focusing on your grammars, then you start doubting on yourself. Each time you will be doubting on yourself. I'm going with the grammar or not. If I'm making mistakes, somebody make fun of me. Such kinds of doubts coming in your mind and
Yes,
bothering you, right? Bothering you a lot. So it's better to just
yes,
leave grammar, try to focus on speaking only, right? First of all, while speaking
yes,
you are going to reduce your hesitation, your fearness, all these things. Okay, when you feel comfortable while talking with the people, and after that you can focus on your grammar. Okay. Yeah.
can you suggest the daily practice to improve my?
Yes, suggest what I suggest you, like any platform, any channel, so where you can go there and watching content, or at your home what you should do at beginnings. That suggestion you want from me, which one? Like what suggestion do you want from me? Practicing at home, or I can recommend you any channel on YouTube so that you can watch and you can work upon your communication skill. What suggestion do you want? Okay, I understood your problem. I would suggest you that suggestion so that can help you at your home. You can practice alone. Okay. So do you have a smartphone? You just download chat GTP. Do you have?
Yes,
Not tomorrow,
I
yesterday.
yes,
You
it
can
is
say
really
yesterday.
helpful.
So whenever
All your doubts.
you can talk to them and they talk to you as a human being and they will correct your grammar.
Yes,
While yeah, before connecting, before saying anything, you need to say, AI, please correct my grammar, my sentence, and then whatever you will say to them, they will correct you. And other things I would say ki you can talk to yourself in front of mirror as well, so that you can see your face expression, how you are talking while talking, what
yes,
kinds of expression would be there. Such things you have to notice, and you can improve your personalities as well, right? So these are the things you can do at alone. And video chatting is also very mandatory. You keep connecting with people every single day and talking to people as much as you connect with people, as early as you can feel very comfortable with them. Okay.
thank you so much for your precious time and for everything you.
Yeah, yeah. Same here, dear. Same here. Keep learning. Never give up. You are going well. You are doing well. You just share with me your channel. I will subscribe your channel and I will watch your video. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.